Hi, my name is Emily Lewis. Today I'm going to be presenting to you about forensic accounting. What is forensic accounting? It's a field that combines law with accounting. Forensic accountants can be employed for all sorts of things, varying from marriage disputes to estates to quantifying damages to following the money trail in some serious crimes. They can also be called as witnesses during trials. Technology and government involvement are the two market factors that have made the biggest impact on the forensic accounting field. Technology has made an impact on the field through the evolution of online banking. As more and more transactions become digital, the forensic accounting field must also follow. Most accounting is now done through accounting software on computers rather than by hand. Government involvement has also made a big difference on the field. As forensic accountants are called to be expert witnesses in trials, they must have the most relevant knowledge possible of the United States laws and tax code. USI does not offer a forensic accounting degree, so accounting is the closest program that we have. Among 2015 USI accounting graduates, the average starting salary was $43,537. Over the last 10 years, USI accounting graduates have seen a 13.8% growth in their starting salaries. In the Midwest, the average 2015 salary for forensic accountants was $94,368 per year. Over the last year, we've seen a 3.5% growth in that salary as well. This table shows some of the most commonly received benefits among certified fraud examiners, which is one type of forensic accountant. Unsurprisingly, over 94% received health insurance, but nearly 80% received some kind of education funding or professional education, and approximately 67% had their employers cover at least part of their professional society dues. The duties and responsibilities of a forensic accountant can vary day to day. Day 1, you might be doing research to prepare for a trial. Day 2, you might be consulting with a potential client on some kind of a case. Day 3, you might be called to the stand as an expert witness. It really just depends on what firm you're working with and what kind of degree or background you have as to what you will be doing. To become a forensic accountant, the minimum amount of education needed is a bachelor's degree in either accounting, forensic accounting if your university offers the program, finance, or another related field. Having some kind of criminal justice or law enforcement education is also recommended in order to give you an advantage over your competitors. Virtually all forensic accountants hold their CPA license, which stands for Certified Public Accountant, before receiving a job as a forensic accountant. Additional certifications are also highly recommended. Typically, only one is needed, although obtaining multiple isn't a bad idea. The most common certifications include Certified in Financial Forensics, or CFF, Certified Fraud Examiner, or CFE, and Certified Internal Auditor, or CIA. Each certification has its own requirements. My strong interest inventory results show that I have a theme code of CI, which stands for conventional and investigative. So having a high conventional theme means that a person is good with performing data analysis, crunching numbers, and paying attention to detail. A high investigative theme means that a person is good with conducting research and solving abstract problems. All of these things are going to be vital in order for a forensic accountant to perform their job to their fullest extent. I've also taken the DISC profile, and my DISC profile is an SC, which stands for Steadiness and Compliance. So a person with a high steadiness factor has a need for thinking things all the way through and planning things very well in advance. Someone with a high compliance factor has a big need for structure and organization. Again, all of these things are going to be very helpful for